Let's go into them. I'm going to show you guys how you can add Razorpay on Shopify. First thing you want to do is search for Shopify app store, or just head over directly to your Shopify app store from Shopify. And then what you want to do is over here, you want to search for Razorpay. Now, one thing about Razorpay is that there is no direct official Razorpay. Like there are multiple Razorpay code and magic checkout or Razorpay trusted business. As you can see, there are some bad reviews. It's only 2.2 star, and this one is 3.8 star, and it has mixed reviews about it. So what you'll do is just click on install over here, and then once you've installed it, just click on activate, and inside your payment options in Shopify, you want to select to Razorpay, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.